Apology not accepted for me.
Kábọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Bílọ̀ Space TV channel
Me,
tí
maybe.
mú gist
Well,
wá
of
fún
Maria,
yín
you know,
àti entertainment
Wunmi doesn't even know what she stands for.
fún
So,
subscribers
me,
wa
I want to be a
àdúpẹ́
freelancer
lọ́wọ́ yín
so that I can be able to
fún
do
ẹ̀yin
my
tí
thing the way I
subscribe
want.
ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ bá wa subscribe ẹ bá wa share ẹ bá wa comment ẹ bá wa like ẹ bá wa turn on notification button yín sílẹ̀
I'll be a
so that
freelance
tá bá ti
blogger
ń
from now.
upload tá bá ti ń
I'm not
update
part
ẹ
of
lè máa rí
Wunmi
lóòrèkóòrè.
because Wunmi does not know what she stands for. They cannot come and beg you at the backyard without clearing that you did not steal phone, you did not steal property, you did not do this. So that's just nonsense. I'm not accepting any apology until they come out to clear all about the property and everything. I've told you, me, I'm not ready to start. Now I'm ready to start my own.
People were dragging her continuously. People that were donating money to her. There were some people that she was collecting salary from monthly.
Let me keep this
when I say
here.
monthly. Or was it the scale of EFCC?
Where is
that
the
she has to
torchlight?
provide a shop. What's the amount she said she was getting the donations for?
No, continue with my
Was it the scale
EFCC.
of the EFCC that made her come out because of dragging? Did she attend or clear Wunmi of all charges?
Nibo.
Brother Oluwatosin was talking about the phone. Did she
But you
attend
think no. You are not helping now. You think you are helping now.
2 or 3 years
Oh,
ago.
Wunmi, that's her life. I'm not Team Wunmi. I will do my thing, my way, so that nobody will attach me with Wunmi. I've said this night. I'm freelancer. I'm not Team Wunmi again. I've said it on that page too.
Did she make any clarity about it? Or she was just going around, Emma Bukini? Was it because of the dragging? I said, I was looking, I was
Why won't you know what you stand for?
and I noticed she
They
was
will come and beg you at the backyard. Okay, blog mélòó ló ti gba apology yẹn sì pọ́n ti padà wá apologize. Wọ́n kúrò ọmọ ẹ̀pọ̀ G4 wípé evidence wà ń bẹ olórí burúkú búkì. Ó sọ nonsense. Wọ́n kúrò ọmọ ẹ̀pọ̀ wá kó property ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tá à ń sọ bí báyìí. Why will you accept without sọ pé ẹ lọ clear orúkọ mi náà before anything? I'm not Team Wunmi. I want to be a freelancer.
To unify our family members.
So that one really attach me more Wunmi. I'm saying it now. I'm not Team Wunmi. I'm a freelance. I will talk about whatever I want to talk about today. Because Wunmi does not even know what she stands for. Why would she go at the back? When what you have got off in Bue means Shemo Wakeru leyin. Shemo relay Mubadi mo address. Aja mi gan won ni aja Mubadi ni. So this is where me I will start my own problem. People don't know how I do my thing. This is how I start.
Are you scared of Yam?
To buy for me 1 naira, they kill me bought at back by 1 kobo in your way. So I'm not in Wunmi, I'm a freelance and I will start my work. Nobody should say, hey, what in Wunmi? I don't know her. I don't want to be part of Wunmi again. I want to until they come out to clear everything. And
just due to respect, and she's my mother-in-law.
Because I am the one clearing the name.
For my demised husband, let me apologize.
A disgrace to everybody. Did you come out and clear that part?
Or 3, maybe you even
one send the voice note seeking white. Did you come out and say, it was a hit of the moment? She did not steal phone, no. There is no evidence in the phone, no. She did not pack property, no. She did not do this. You are apologizing. Did you tell the word? I did not know Mubad house. I did not pack AC. I did not have a pin. I even gave you. I spent my money, spent my time and my energy. Did you tell the world? Show me don't fool and one more don't be a shepherd tomo like shame. Or because did you tell them that the property issue I cleared was truth 100%? Team on kote tarabo. Mi o ni gba ibi taba ma fade. You don't even know me. On my truth, I will die here.
Mama, please speak it. Say it. This is what
you don't try nonsense with me.
We want
Today I'm just talking about Wunmi. I want to do what I feel like. I want to clear this to the end. I will drag anybody. By tomorrow, you all will see my true color.
Our lambakini in jail. Our public lambakini in jail donating unnecessarily. donating unnecessary to this family that they are
wá sábọ̀ ta lé nígbà tí mo ti lọ sọ pé ó máa pọ̀ gbogbo owó tá pọ̀ fún ẹ owó tó gbà lórí page mi was 8 million naira you went and tell Karimo wípé tí mo gbé cooler drinks wá tó jẹ́ pé mi ni mo ice wine champagne fruit juice fún yín you told them I came to pack things and olórí burúkú àṣìírí kan sọ pé why am I talking you went and tell Karimo that I collect money from who. You will tell me everything. I am not ready for you guys yet.
Send your recording, your evidence, will send it to Pansi, to DSS. Like, yes, this
one carton of red wine, one 3 pack of juice.
Yes, so
spine of one carton. Then bullets. I have somebody that just one bet totally shall
making this case.
I call gift lo. Olórí burúkú ẹ ò rí kọkọ sọ you came out to lie on me. Ta ló sọ fún Karimo pa wá sí party. Don't tell me to forgive Sister Mary Obloka. Please. I'm not in the mood for that. Did I tell you I'm fighting Wunmi? I'm clearing my name. Don't tell me to forgive anything. If you don't understand, please leave my platform now. This is not the time. Don't you hear what I'm saying? Did I collect anything from any one of them? Did I pack the property? Did I take any pin? I spend my money, I spend my time, I spend my energy. I use my platform to help them. Yeah, Mohbad went back and tell Karimo that as she clear what Karimo say, Wunmi is their wife. If she likes, she should apologize. She's entitled to them. That they have the same entanglement. I don't fucking know any one of them. But until when me I'm ready for them on my own part of name. Shebi since yesterday, did she come out to clear that Alhaja Okuro I just saw property and Woloni Kimako? She's crazy. They are all mad.
Please, Interpol, bring her.
You think I'm joking? Me Kimba.
They've done DNA in Dubai. Visit Panti, present the DNA. So all these things.
So, but all the people must have EFCC ma check. Gbogbo ye tó ti gbà so far. Oh, my shop to fi owó gbà. Tá sọ láàárọ̀ ìlọ́dọ̀ dá pé we will get EFCC but oh no go. Who is that? What is it? Can you
no problem. I have gone through those things I needed to say, but please, please, Wunmi, I'm still going to beg the host. You see, let us enjoy ourselves before you unblock her. Let us enjoy ourselves. Let her know how this thing hurts us. Her apology.
Think you can just come out and apologize with all my names? That is King Itimora, 2 weeks old.
Don't let us know that you've unblocked. Let her know how you're feeling about the whole thing. Let her know. Let her listen.
What do you want to see the seller to me? Everything.
Night, everybody.
I hate when people lie on me. Everybody
No, I was here before you. I'll be very brief.
You think you can come online and dent people image because you want to talk? Olórí burúkú tẹ lọ rojọ́ fún padà lọ sọ fún wípé irọ́ ni àbí. Ibi tẹ́ ti gbé lọ káàkiri you go back and tell them pé irọ́ ni àbí.
Is it very low? Are you always quick to come
Sorry, excuse me, ma'am. Is it me or is it very low?
Owó tó lọ sọ fún Karimo pé mo gbà yẹn, you have to bring them. If you beg me, I will block you. Go to their platform. Tó bá purọ́ mọ́ yín, tó bá dùnnú mọ́ yín, tó bá sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe, ẹ máa gbẹ̀bẹ̀ orí burúkú, wọ́n á bẹ̀ yín lẹ́bẹ̀ ẹ̀yà, wọ́n á bẹ̀ yín lẹ́bẹ̀ òfò, ẹni tó bá bẹ̀ mí kò ní ṣoríire. Ẹ rọra kóra yín kúrò níbí báyìí pẹ̀lẹ́ bẹ̀ orí burúkú tẹ́ ń ṣe. Ṣé mo sọ fún yín pé mo bá Wunmi jà? Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ ni? Kí lẹ bẹ̀ mí fún? Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ pé òun ló sọ fún Karimo, kí ló dé tí ò wá bọ́ta kó sọ pàtì pé kiri kọkiri wọn á borúkọ èèyàn jẹ máa sọ pé kéèyàn mo mú nǹkan ni ṣé ìgbà tí mo ra king gbogbo èèyàn ò rí mi ìgbà tí mo ra king bíbà tó jẹ́ baby tó sọ fẹ́ mi wípé ajá Mohbad èmi lọ kọ́ ẹrù Mohbad ṣé mo mọlé Mohbad mo máa dírẹ́sì Mohbad mo rí Mohbad Wunmi gan ṣé mo mọlé àbí mo dé àdúgbò ẹ̀rí.
You do not need to come out and
apologize. Chop for me, 1 kobo ni. Did anybody give me 1 kobo? àbí mo gba wọn kọ́bọ̀ lọ́wọ́ anybody àdàbí tí bá gbà gbogbo àwọn ọmọ inú ilé yín ọmọ máa kú pípípí tí bá gba wọn náírà lọ́wọ́ yín nìkan ló kù ẹ bá máa bẹ̀yìn òṣì wọ́n lè dúró mọ́ yín kẹ́ dákẹ́ ni àbẹ́rò pé ẹ rí pé mo dákẹ́ látàárọ̀ mi ò sọ kankan mo ń wo gbogbo everything bó ṣe hàn fóòdù mo rọra ń wò but kẹ́ wá máa fi ọ̀bọ lọ anybody kan tẹ́ bá lè gbà kẹ́ anybody má bẹ̀ mí ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run tẹ́ bá fẹ́ káyé títí yín náà bàjẹ́ ibi tó ti gbé orúkọ yẹn lọ́ṣẹ́ lè lọ clear pé wọ́n kẹ́rù ẹrù olórí burúkú wo ni Mohbad ní ẹrù tèmi ń fúnyàn ẹrù tèmi máa ń kó fúnyàn nílé tí bá fẹ́ change ẹrù lé mi máa kó yẹn sàmárà mi ẹ purọ́ mọ́ mi ẹ pa irọ́ mọ́ mi ta ló fẹ́ clear èmi tí mo help wọn kò sí oṣù ọjọ́ tí mo fi ṣe show tí mo fi bá wọn gbowó and you think you can tell me to please sorry for what.
Your mother-in-law came out now to say blah 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 blah. Whatever it is.
Sister Yemi ṣe yóò gbọ́ ni tí wọ́n ní mo lọ kó èsì Mohbad mo lọ kó port àlọ́ tí wọ́n sọ nonsense wọ́n tún ní king tí mo rà ní baby video picture wà bí báyìí bọ́ṣ ẹni tó ta king fún mi rè ẹ̀hún rè mo sọ fún yín ìgbà tí mo ra king òun rè.
àwọn kì í ṣe òpònú bíi títí wa àtàwọn tó ń support ẹ àwọn tó ń tiẹ̀ jáde bọ́sẹ̀dì.
mo ti ṣú ẹ̀rí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń bà mí wà ń bí báyìí àti ya king àti baba king ó ní king ajá Mohbad ni like so that is funny ibi tí ya jẹlé ayé yín dé ẹ tún jí ajá right till then we will fix it when the time come ní bá mi dán irú ẹ̀ wò mọ́ ní bá mi dán irú ẹ̀ wò mọ́ mo ti fi kíní hàn yín this is ìyá ẹni tó bí king lélẹ̀ ìyá king lélẹ̀ mo ń bọ̀
to the extent that you curse on
her. Àfi owó tí mo sọ fún ẹni tó ta king ọ̀hún yìí sí ìyá king lélẹ̀ ìyá king lélẹ̀ níjọ́ tí mo rà ṣe ti rí pé méèlì lélẹ̀ king lélẹ̀ níjọ́ tí mo rà àbúrò king lélẹ̀ bàbá king lélẹ̀.
Especially in the comment section.
Ìyá tó bí king lélẹ̀ tí mo sọ fún yín pé king jọ ìyá ẹ̀ ìyá tó bí king lélẹ̀ so ibo ni ó ti já ajá Mohbad.
And I don't go against the platform rules. But ṣe ẹ̀yin kankan tẹ́ mama ní ẹ má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
First payment tí mo ṣe fún king lélẹ̀ mo ń bọ̀.
Mi ò kì í ṣe baby.
Mo ń bọ̀. We will see the second payment now.
If you are falling for that apology.
Okay, ẹ wo bí kíní yẹn ṣe gbà tó fi hàn mi. First payment tí mo ṣe fún king lélẹ̀ ẹni tó ta fún mi rí àkáǹtì ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ 70,000 lélẹ̀ ẹ wá wo second payment mo ń bọ̀. We will see the second payment now. Tó ní kí n send ẹ̀ sí pet store wọn ṣẹ́rí 30,000 tí mo fi sanwó ẹ̀ ṣẹ́tìrì wọ́n ń tajà ó kọ́kọ́ ní kí n send yẹn sákàntó this is the second one ṣẹ́tìrì so mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi fa wàhálà yẹn débi tó jẹ́ wípé níjọ́ tí mo máa ra crane ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ ibẹ̀ ni mo ti ra crane mo tún ra eléyìí later after àtúnfi payment bí mo ṣe sanwó yẹn hàn ṣẹ́tìrì store wọn tí mo ti ra gbogbo ẹrù ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń ta everything until then màá bá yín pò kankan nílé ayé yín mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀bọ̀ lẹ́yọkọ̀ you know me I will come out with receipt then you will see what the stuff I'm made with wàá mú bàbá ajá Mohbad jáde àti ìyá tó bí ajá Mohbad wàá mú family ẹ̀ jáde I have king family portrait here ìyá tó bí bàbá tó bí mo ní mo kì í ra ajá anyhow because I know about drugs ṣebí ajá Mohbad ni you will tell me bí king ṣe jájá Mohbad. Ẹ rí èpè tí máa gbé yín ṣe ẹ ní bá mi dán nonsense wò online everything I do I keep receipts I keep my receipts. Ṣé ajá Mohbad rè ni mo ń pray fún ní baby ta jọ ń pray fúnra wa tá à ń ṣeré ẹ wá wojọ́ tó dé ní baby mo ń bọ̀ ẹ wojọ́ tó dé tó ń pọ̀ táwọn ọmọ ń gbé ṣeré ṣe bá ajá Mohbad lélẹ̀ tó ń wò fòkìfòkì gbà tó ti ń pé ọmọ oṣù kan tá ti rà ìbádà Mohbad lélẹ̀ ìwé bébì ni Mohbad rà tiẹ̀. Ìgbà tó dé ní kókó lélẹ̀ tó máa lọ ń sùn káàkiri ẹ̀kúlé tó máa ń lọ sínú store òkè wàá sọ ibi tó ti jájà Mohbad wàá sọ fún mi. Ṣòtìrí déètì ìgbà tó wà ń bébì you will tell me when the time come ẹ tí mọ̀ kankan.
So for that, even though I have my reservation, I will not fault you for that apology. However,
so kò mọ bí mo ṣe ra king pé baby buy ni mo ra. This was king when I bought
for
king.
the sake of your child,
So the first payment
because that's
mi
the only thing you have.
100 and something thousand lọ́ta ńgbà tí mo fẹ́ rà because lásà ni lọ́wọ́ iye tó ń ta lásà.
Because you can't say you like me and you will not like my dog. Because tí ìyá Mohbad bá náà wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Liam.
So torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe máa ń sọ pé ajá kínní ni ẹ lọ gbọ́lọ́pàá yín wá so that màá lè bá yín fa case. Wọ́n lè apologize fún Wunmi lè let go of it because one family mi ò family mọ́ wọn. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe ń kígbe pé don't attach me with Wunmi o because kò tí máa bá yín fà nílé ayé yín everything tí mo ṣe ni mo rí receipt fún because mi ń kọjá àyè mi. Mi kọjá àyè mi inú ilé mi mo ṣe wà mo love ẹ gidi tv tí mo ń lò tẹ́lẹ̀ gbà tí ó tóbi tó mo lọ ra smart tv ṣé mo bá lò tún ní smart tv mi ẹ ríran o
kí n ti yín pẹ̀lú Kàrímọ́ ò tó mọ yín náà kò ń ṣe bí yín kò ń ṣe pé òun ni Mohbad fẹ́ àbí òun ni àlè Mohbad. Even Amy, if I have a friend and if I have a friend and that friend introduce a friend to me, ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bá ní pé kíní máa yẹra ní ká máa sọ family. There's a bad blood between Kàrímọ́ for whatever reason. Kò fẹ́ rí Wunmi sójú.
Ẹ máa lanu ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ bí olórí burúkú. Orí yín máa pé.
Ọmọ mi ni kíní kan. You don't have any business with Kàrímọ́.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi lóhùn kó fẹ́ fi rẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ́yà lọ́dọ̀ wọn pé kó máa fòun gbá bọ̀ because ìyá Mohbad just came out ẹ̀ má bínú ṣó clear pé kò jí fóònù wọ́n ní last kíní tí mo evidence wà nù ẹ̀ fóònù tí ó tàn ta ló sọ mo sọ fún yín pé ta ló sọ fún Wunmi wípé ta ló sọ fún Kàrímọ́ pé Wunmi mú fóònù òun fi èèyàn fi ẹ́ ṣẹlẹ́yà wọ́n á wá máa bẹ̀ ní backyard àwọn kan á máa sọ fún ẹ your dignity your name is out there. Ṣé apology yẹn sì ṣé star blog ti gbé ṣé famous blog ti gbé ṣé Linda Kejì gbé apology yẹn mọ́ no wọ́n ti ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe fún ẹ wọ́n ti disgrace ẹ that is what they will keep doing to you until you know your stand ọmọ Wunmi. I'm not somebody that will keep on lying to you. I will not accept it. Me, I will say my own as it is. I will say my own but my drag wọn débi wípé ẹ̀mí wọn fẹ́ bọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi. Yo, what's up? What's good? Kaleshwa. Àwọn family tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọ́n yìí máa continue láti máa hot ẹ̀ if you don't stand your ground. These people are just wicked people. Wicked people. I dey hear you. No wahala. You see wahala.
You can't tell me for the past 11 months now, this is the right time for you to sit on the fence. It's wrong. You can't sit on the fence. It's either you pick a side A or you pick a side B. Or you simply walk away. So the person will make every problem here because Kàrímọ́ continue.
Kò lè stop now. You think it will stop?
How would you tell me that you like ọmọ Wunmi go dem back
Oh. Let me finish. Ṣetán máa pẹ́ ọmọ táyé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ Kàrímọ́ tó jẹ́ pé ó máa ṣòfò ní tọmọtọmọ ayé ò ní dá olórí burúkú ọmọ òfò ṣé ẹ rò pé ó ṣe fún ìyá Mohbad ni ó ní personal vendetta tó fẹ́ clear pẹ̀lú Wunmi tí ó bá dẹ̀ ti clear ara ẹ̀ ò ní balẹ̀ bó ṣe wà yẹn ìyá Mohbad ò fún ní information ni.
Fóònù yẹn tó ọ̀rọ̀ fóònù yẹn ṣe àlùjọ̀nú ló lọ sọ fún Kàrímọ́.
Oho, kí ni mò ń sọ ń bí báyìí?
Àbí ọ̀rọ̀ property ṣe àlùjọ̀nú.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé Wunmi nìkan ni ó máa jáyà but èmi màá bá yín drag ẹ̀ débi wípé tá bá kóra wa lọ station lọ lé ẹjọ́ mi ní fi yín lẹ̀ tí mọ̀ mi tí bá fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú yàn ọlọ́pàá máa kó gbogbo wa last ni ọlọ́pàá máa kó gbogbo wa last tí bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ìrẹ́dì ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú ẹ wá ṣe voice note káwa máa kó jẹ gbogbo ẹrù o bọ́ta kò sọ pé tòótọ́ ni àbí.
Go and make adjustments. Hello, root the problem and go and root it out with your hand. And the perfect keep relationship with Pelu Karimo for whatever stupid reason. Simply back off from a woman Wunmi and leave her the hell alone. Please. Ejo, Ebela Beyin. Emma Shomo yen jamba, Emma ṣe Liam jamba, Ejo torí Ọlọ́run.
Wunmi gan ohun Wunmi kó fẹ́ kó máa ṣòwò jamba ni lè disgrace mi níta. Kẹ́ wá máa bẹ̀ mí nínú ilé kò possible. Kò possible. Okay, lọ wo Instagram ṣó ti gbé apology òṣì tó ṣe. Ṣó ti gbé.
Comment section. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Boni kaluku bá ṣeré ló ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹ́rí gbogbo àwa tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ tọ́rọ̀ bá kàn ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ ẹ̀yin tí ò kàn ẹ máa wò wá. Ẹ mọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó pamọ́ mi ṣe dé orí TikTok bó ṣe ń ṣépè fún ọ̀tá mi anyway aborídé pè nù ni èmi ti ṣe tí wọ́n mọ́ṣẹ́. Tó ń ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ tó ń pè yálàyà wọn lólè tí mo ṣe wàhálà tèmi gbowó fún ìyá Mohbad kò ní fi ṣe ohun re kò ní fowó yẹn ṣe ohun re. Nǹkan tí mo jí yẹn bọ́sẹ̀ máa wá sọ online tí kò máa fún ó máa dry ó máa spread èmi ò nítorí ẹ̀ mo ṣe sọ pé mi ò ṣe Wunmi anybody máa anti Wunmi ni mí anti justice.
Sideline ni tọmọ
Wunmi you can imagine. The same thing ní Josi ṣe tó let go ó wá dákẹ́ sí ìgbà tó ti gba gbogbo ẹjọ́.
Oya, ẹ go ahead. Tẹ́ bá ti yínú ẹ̀ sókè jù, mo máa gba microphone lọ́wọ́ yín.
Ẹ gba freedom.
Okay, bí yíwẹ̀ sókè jù.
Ele àwa ṣe tí ẹ apologize ọ̀hún àwa tẹ́ bá ṣe ṣó máa parẹ́ online ni.
Ebi only come call for peace you. But mo game to play. Ibe mi ṣe ro.
Nǹkan tó yìí máa gba game fún.
Wọ́n náà play along pẹ̀lú wọn ni. Ibe mi ṣe rí game yẹn o. But ọmọ ìyá mi má fọ́ o. Má fọ́ rárá o. Má fọ́.
Ṣé ìfẹ́ ta fẹ́ pòpòrò dénú? Ó ní ká má gbàjẹ́ ni. Ìfẹ́ ta fẹ́ dìye ò ní kó má fi dín tànà.
Don't trust Iya Mohbad. I'm saying it publicly.
Kí ni mo ṣe? Oore ni mo ṣe àti Karimo olórí burúkú tó bá padà ya ọmọ pàpàlági tó pàpà ya ọmọ òfò tó ń bú ìyá tó bí tó ní òun bú mi. Ṣé olórí burúkú ẹ̀ ṣe ó hàn lára mi ni? Àbígbà tí mo jáde lánàá anybody dí mo mú street but orí online yìí náà la máa ti bára wa pọ̀. Ọlọ́run ṣe pet shop tí mo ti rà wọ́n fún mi ní certificate àti kíní king ibẹ̀ náà ni vet ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ ibẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ti ń stamp ẹ̀ nǹkan tí ó ṣe dá kéèyàn máa rajà ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Màá lọ wá bọ́ yóò fi kíní sínú káàdì king lẹ́nu ó fún ní ibi.
Ṣo fẹ́ ṣòfò ni wọ́n lọ ra dátà fún mi rè wò èèyàn lè sọ ọkọ tèmi máa sọ fẹ́mi o.
Gbogbo àwọn tó ń jẹ ajá mi lélẹ̀ ìkan rè oúnjẹ tí king ń jẹ lélẹ̀ mo ní kó lọ rà wá.
Mi ò lè gbà ẹ́ lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ tèmi ẹ lọ kó sínú ara yín kẹ́ máa sọ pé ẹ ṣe family meeting onírọ́kọ̀.
Oògùn tí máa ń rà fún king lélẹ̀ oògùn kọrì mò ń bọ̀.
Tí ọba ti ẹ̀ máa wá kọ́ fún bíìsì kò
ṣe tí king white. O ti rí bí mo ṣe ń ra àwọn ìkan rè. Ṣòtìrí bá ṣe máa ń ra nǹkan fún nìyẹn ṣòtìrí olórí burúkú yẹn rò pé pépà ló fi ń ṣe ajá ń bọ̀ ok ó ń sẹ́ndì kan sí mi lélẹ̀ ń bíbà ó ní kí n send account number mo ní mo ti send ẹ̀ kò rí mo ń bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n tún fi ẹlòmíì hàn gẹ́ Jennifer ìdá fóònù ìdá kò ń ṣèbí kan láti tọ́jú king o.